It's the first time a worldwide show like this has ever been produced by university students.
The Global City.
Local voices, international perspectives.
Most shows originate from a broadcaster, and any of the stories you see come via satellite. That sort of connection has always been too expensive for students to access.
The Global City, however, is different in a few ways.
We're now using new technology which lets us connect with each other over the internet without any delay.
It's not just another TV show, it's an opportunity to connect with different students.
And students from all around the world are collaborating to share their stories and their ideas.
The Global City is all about allowing students the chance to do that across countries and cultures, to get to see how we tell stories differently from each other and how we think about stories similarly and differently from each other around the world.
We've tried to make it accessible for everybody and so we could access anywhere in the world.
And for us to have an opportunity to participate in something that gives us that connection to universities like Ryerson and some of the others you've been talking about in Europe is a fantastic chance.
Both I and the students have learned and grown a lot. I really look forward to new challenges with the new shows with all our good partners around in the world.
You have a picture of that somewhere.
Oh yeah, definitely. It's on
We need to
Facebook.
see that after the show. That's very important.
So we can get this united European effort.
You guys got a chance to look at the Rutgers bus system, the NJ Transit system, and the New York City subway.
From Ryerson University, downtown Toronto.
The Global Campus Network, an alliance of universities around the world.
This is Stefan Larsen in Aarhus.
Hello and welcome to Dublin's Fair City.
We're here on the streets of Auckland.
And I'm from Newcastle in North England.
From Little Italy, I'm Irina Chumak.
But it's been great and I'd love to meet you guys sometime.